Good afternoon. Frequently Asked Question Friday. We're going to go through the Mini Connected app. First and foremost, make sure you have the most current version downloaded. We'll have a link to that below. Here's some of the features, functionality of the Mini Connected app. So as you can see at the very top here, it's going to tell you what type of Mini you have. It's actually going to show a real picture of your Mini with the color and features. It's going to tell you when the Mini was last updated. So as you can see that there, it's going to show you if the windows are open, sunroof are open, that sort of thing. So we'll go ahead and go into sunroof open. It's also going to show you if the doors are locked or unlocked. And then you have the option to lock or unlock those remotely. Check control messages is just showing if you need an oil service or any service that's currently needed, any issues going on. The next one is actual services. It's going to tell you when your next oil change service is due, vehicle check is due, and brake fluid flush is due. As you can see here, and then we can go back to the main by selecting the little Mini in the corner. We're going to roll up here and you're going to see a fuel level, how many gallons of fuel you have, how many miles till you need to replace that fuel. You have the option of locking the Mini, and as you can see here, it walks it right through, lock or unlock. And then the horn, the flashing of the lights, and you can select any of those right now. So for instance, we'll do the horn and we'll select that, and then it'll send it to the Mini, and then it'll actually honk the horn for you. So if you're trying to find it in a parking lot, you have the option of flashing lights and or honking the horn. The next one here, the little fan, is going to be your ventilation. So what that'll do is actually allow you to open up the vents for letting the fresh air in, especially in the hot summertime. The next one down below here is going to show you where your actual Mini is located as far as the address is located at. And then ventilation timer, that's going to show you, you can set that up for 5 o'clock when you get out of work to open up those vents to let that fresh air in. Any dealer services, as far as scheduling service, you can actually just go in and select that, and then it'll come up to the closest Mini dealer to you where you're located. As you can see, that's obviously us. And then it'll walk through those settings and options, and then I'll go back to the original Mini. It's going to give you the model information, the VIN number, how many miles are currently on it. The motorist guide is going to be another app to download if you want to go through some more features, functionality, how your Mini works. You have the option of downloading that. And then back to the main menu, you do have call, accident, or roadside assistance. If that's needed, you can dial it right through the app here. We're going to kind of rotate across the icons in the bottom here. So again, the coordinates, address is going to show where the closest Mini dealer is located, which is right by us, which is where we're at. The next one is going to be personal information here. So we're going to go through, it's going to give your information, some frequently asked questions, privacy, and so on and so forth. So back to the main menu. So hopefully this was helpful. If you do have questions or need anything, definitely give us a ring here at Mini of Grand Rapids and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks, have a great afternoon.